The panchayat, last panchayat body on 1st March gave them the NOC to construct this tower on a proposal received on 22nd of February. That means in 1 week's time they gave the NOC. It per requisite that when you give such a commercial enterprise, it is must that the panchayat does this inspection, checks whether it's in a populated area, the licenses to construct, to convert the land, commercial, it's a commercial use. Nothing was done, but we were not aware of this. We were not aware of all these things. We have received a complaint now. Based on the complaint, we immediately had our panchayat meeting, and based on that complaint, we have sent a stop notice to the tower company and called for a site inspection today, with the request to the company to be present here for the site inspection and to produce all the relevant documents with permissions, whatever, before this is given, before you start the construction. This should have reached the panchayat much before the construction started.
We will give them as soon as we get the documents. We are going to provide them with all the documents. This, whatever is being done now, this network, whatever is going to come, it is in the interest of the public. It is in the interest of the public.
Panchayat is come here to inspect, and the law will take its place in due course. We will check the records, we will check everything, and then we will take it forward. What forward, we will see as and when we see the documents, as and when we get certain reports that we have applied at various levels. We are also doing our inquiry. We have not slept. We are also doing our inquiry because for us it was a shocking thing. Because basically, principle of the panchayat when they receive such things, when you construct a house, the NOCs come from the TCP. So it comes to the panchayat meeting and we give it. But when it comes on the commercial thing like this, and you come for NOC to the panchayat should have the business of first inspecting it. Where is the project coming up? And is it a residential area? Is it the fields? Is it the agriculture area? That's our duty. Then, based on that reports what we get, then we take a decision. Here there was nothing taken. So we have to be with the people also.
So आता तुम्ही जे काम स्टॉप करपा सांगला त्यांना?
It's already, we have already given a stop notice, and we start as and when we tell them to start.
आज प्रोड्यूस कित केलं त्यांनी? Document.
One.
Document कित प्रोड्यूस केलं त्यांनी?
Till now they have not shown us any documents. Can you imagine? Highly sensitive commercial work is going on, and not a single document is in our panchayat file. Can you tell me this is anywhere existing in the world? You start. Can you do it? Put up a small commercial in your background in your house. Can you start without any commercial permissions?
And after consulting Dr. Shikhar Salkar, all the cancer specialists, I have taken the decision. Today they may be against me, but I don't care because truth will prevail and God will decide what my conscience is. I have till today not done wrong to anybody in the village.
एक पंचायतीची परमिशन सोडली जाल्यार बाकीचे परमिशन त्यांच्याकडल्यान ना
They have the pollution control board permission.
But ते प्रोड्यूस करूना त्यांच्याने.
They have the pollution control board and the panchayat NOC and the permission. This tower is not illegal. Many people in our ward have approached me also. We don't get internet and Wi-Fi, and also we don't get proper signals. That is why, in thinking in the good to move with modern times, everything is going to become cashless. I decided to offer my place. I have leased it out to Jio. Let the law take its course. And I have not done this for money. We are earning enough. I have done this because it will in future benefit these people who are ignorant, and false rumors are spread regarding this, that it is going to be cancerous and this and that. People's mind is falsely implicated.
ग्राम सभा मीटिंग रेजोल्यूशन गेला हुई जाऊं पंचायती रेजोल्यूशन गेला हुई की एज मुका रेजिडेंशियल एरियाक टावर घालपा नाही मु आमगे मेन पॉइंट कितें कितकोन दिल तेंका परमिशन और रेजोल्यूशना गायलो जाल्या विदिन अ इयर आणि ते म्हळ्यार तेम एप्लाय केले 8 दिसांनी 22 फेब्रुवारी तेम एप्लाय केले आणि 1 मार्च कितकोन मेळ तेंका तेमी लायसन्स दिल ते इन्स्पेक्शन कित्याक केलें ना इतू बोगले घर आसतना सगल्याक ओल्ड एज होम आहा सगळी रेजिडेंशियल एरिया बोगले आसतना हे कितकोन जालें